Hello everybody, and I am Fahad, and this video is about the wildcard characters in the MySQL. Right, so let's just look at the code. Okay, in the last video we have learned about the like operators and association of the wildcard, and you could also consider this video as a second part or the practice of the wildcard characters in the MySQL. Alright, what is the wildcard characters? Let me just define you first. Wildcard characters are used to substitute the one or more than one characters. Alright, so let me just show you the code. Select. Okay, there are only two wildcards in the MySQL. So the undercolon and the percentage sign. Alright, that we have already discussed, briefed, or used in the previous video of the like operators. If you got the idea of wildcard in the previous video, you can skip this video. But let me just show you how can we use this thing. Okay, I'll be explaining this to you with the 2 or 3 examples. So in the first example, I just want to have the cities whose country code start with A. Let's just do this. Select country code name from city where like. Okay, one more thing, that the underscore sign represent a single letter and the percentage sign could represent a 0, single or multiple letters. Alright. Okay, so what was our first example? That I wanted to have the cities whose country code start with A. You will write the A and use this percentage sign. What does this mean? That the country code must start with A, but after that first letter it could be anything. It could be a single letter, 2 letters, 3 letters, or any letters, any number of letters and any kind of letters as well. Alright, so this is how the percentage sign works. Now you can see that our country code is only starting with the A letter. Alright, but if I just put a condition here that my country code must start with the A capital letter and must end with the G capital letter. So let's just see how does it work. Okay, now you can see that the country code start with the A capital letter and G capital letter. Okay, so what does this thing mean is that show me the cities whose country code start with the A and ends with the G. Got the point? This the percentage sign here can be representing a number of characters. I don't care about it, but it must start with the A and ends with the G. Alright, so I just want for the single letter, okay, the second letter is F, and after that it could be anything. Okay, in this scenario what I am asking for, that the first letter could be anything, but my second letter must be F, and after that it could be anything. Now you can see that my second letter is F and the first letter could be anything. It doesn't matter. Alright, so now I just want to have G. What is the scenario? This is a kind of scenario that I want to have the country code whose third letter must be G, and after that it could be anything, maybe a single letter or 2 letters or the 3 letters, or maybe no any letter at all, but its first 2 letters could be anything as well. Okay, now you can see that my third letter is G. The first letters could be anything. Okay, this was the first kind of example, and in the second I just want to have the district that G. Okay, sing out. Alright, so what is this scenario? There, show me the cities whose third letter must be G and its first 2 letters could be anything. I don't care about it, and after that it could be any letters, number of letters, 1, 2, and maybe it doesn't even have a letter after the G. Alright, so this is how it works, and now you can see here the district as well. Okay, now you can see here the third letter of my district is G, but if I just want to have the G at my second letter, this could give you the values as well. Now you can see that the district values are only G at the second place. You got the point of the like operator and the wildcards characters as well. But in last I just want to tell you that to understand the like operator and this wildcards, just have a look at the previous video. I will give you the link in the description. That was about the like operator and this was about the wildcards specifically. So if you really find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.